Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. It's a recipe video how to make pancakes. So let's get right into the video. So for this video guys, you'll be needing 2 eggs for half a kilo of flour, some oil, water, sugar, salt, sugar, a measuring spoon and a fork just to blend everything out. So we'll begin by breaking the eggs into a separate bowl, separate from where the flour is. You break the 2 eggs because we're going to mix all the liquid mixture in another bowl before incorporating it into the flour. So you put, after breaking the eggs, you're going to put in sugar, just the amount you think will be enough to make it sweet enough to your taste. So there's no like measurement or quantity, just put the amount you think will be good for you or taste better. And even after putting it like in the mixture already, if you see that it's not sweet enough, you could say add some sugar. So I'll just like grind the sugar, make sure it's all grind and all mixed together with the egg. So we'll just do that, and I'll add a pinch of salt into the mixture, just a pinch of salt guys. It's very necessary, like it's small but necessary. So I'll add water, considerable amount of water, because the mixture has to be liquid but not too runny. If not, you're going to ruin the pancakes guys. So there I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil and then 2 tablespoons of oil is enough for this pancake recipe. So I'll just mix all of them together as you can see, and then I will pour into the flour. So guys, as I was saying, like even after pouring it, you see that the consistency isn't good enough, you could say add some water. So just make sure it's runny but not too runny. Now you're going to ruin the pancakes. So I'm going to mix this up just to have it smooth and all that, no lumps and all. So I'm going to mix it up. So guys, you could use whatever you can to mix it up, like an electric mixer, hand mixer, whatever you can find. So I'll just use this guys. So for it to be faster, you can use an electric hand mixer. That's totally fine. So I'm just going to mix it up with my hands until it's smooth enough. And as you can see, it's a little too thick guys. It's too thick. You don't want to be doing pancakes with this texture, this consistency. So I'm going to add water guys. It's not hot water or warm water, it's regular water at its normal temperature. So I just added more water because, as I said, it was too heavy, too thick. So now I'm just going to mix them till I get a smooth texture. So as I'm mixing guys, at one point I'm going to like taste the amount of sugar I've put. I'm going to taste it if it's enough. So you're allowed to taste it, and if you taste it is not enough, you're totally free to add more sugar directly into this mixture. There's no problem. Sorry guys. So I'll keep mixing it, like I'm trying to press all the lumps and all of that. So I hope I could get it to be smooth, but it took me like a while to get it smooth. So I think the consistency is good like that. It's thick but not too thick. I think it's good. So I just tasted it, check if the sugar is enough like I want it to be. So I'm just pressing the lumps up. I just added some more water. I think it was too thick. So I added more water. At one point I was scared it was too runny, but after mixing it up, it was okay. So we just mix it up, make sure that all the lumps are out and all of that. So just mix, guys. If you're going to like hand mix it, like me without an electric mixer, then it's going to take you a while. So just be patient, press it out, and mix it up, and we'll have a smooth mixture. We're gonna begin frying. So guys, now I'm done mixing, and my frying pan was on the fire hot, and I'll just put like small amounts of oil. Like the second one was totally unnecessary, but just like a drop, like a teaspoon of oil into the frying pan is totally enough. I did extra on this first one, but guys, don't do that. Like the oil was just too much. So like I said, a teaspoon of oil, like half a teaspoon. It is just like, you just need a drop of oil just to like go through the frying pan. So after putting the oil, like turn the frying pan so the oil reaches every end, and then let it heat on medium heat, guys. You don't want to get things burned. So put a small amount, because I like my pancakes like thin, so I'm just going to put a small amount and go through the frying pan. So there it is, guys. When you do that, you just let it cook. Let the first side cook for between 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Yes, I don't want things getting burned, like I said. So I hope you guys are taking notes. From time to time, you just like go through the edges and make sure they don't stick. You know, you won't be able to turn it. Just to make sure that the edges are not sticky. So let it cook 2 to 3 minutes, 4 minutes max, but sometimes I like it a little, well, I won't say burnt, but like really crusty and all that. So I leave it for more. So I'll just say 2 to 4 minutes, depending on how you like it. You just keep checking it if it's how you want, and then boom, you're ready to turn it. So I think it was ready like I wanted, and I turned it, guys. See how it looks. Like sometimes I'll have it to be like more brown than this, but it's okay. Like this is still ready, so don't be scared. So the second side when turned normally takes a shorter period of time than the first side. So this side I'll say like 2 minutes max will be ready. So I'm just turning it and checking if it's how I want it. And you can see, I think I left it again for a little while, and I'm removing it. So guys, I removed that one and I decided to change the frying pan because the other one was giving me issues. So I changed it to this one because the other one wasn't drying it enough, guys. So I had to put this one because I wanted it to be more dry. So I had set this one up already, the same thing. Put oil in the frying pan, just a little bit of oil. Put a quantity of the pancake mixture, and then you wait for the first side to get ready. So as you see me doing, I just put the first side. The first side is still getting ready, and that's that. So leave it to get ready, like 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat. And once it's ready, I'll turn the other side and I'll leave that one for 2 minutes. So guys, I hope you're getting this right, and as you can see, I keep checking the edges like I told you to make sure they don't stick, guys. Make sure you check your edges. So I think it's like I want it to be the first side, so I'll still be turning it and we'll see how it looks. I hope the pancakes you're making. So guys, I had a little trouble since I was holding my camera and my phone with the other hand, so I had to like put the phone down, then turn it. I was turning it with one hand was troubling me, so I turn it, and this is how it looks. You can see it looks better with this frying pan, and it looks more brown. Like I said, I like it. And when I use the other frying pan, so I definitely needed to change it. So it's looking good, guys. Like, I just want to eat these pancakes. Like, what? So that's how it looks. So I just removed this one, and we are going to continue doing the same thing. But guys, take note, at one point you can generally fry it again using the same frying pan without putting oil. Like the oil, you can say I just put a drop of oil. Like the oil on the frying pan can fry like 2 to 3 pancakes when you put it once. So if you have to put more oil, just put like a drop. It won't stick, don't bother. So just add just a tiny drop, and I'm making the other pancake. So guys, it's ready. So I wasn't going to show you up, guys, how I did like the whole pancakes, but just from the 12, I hope you learned how to do it, and enjoy your meal, and happy home quarantine. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you.